Today we're checking out the Renegade Industrial 3-in-1 Butane Soldering Blowtorch. Let's check it out. If you need a tool built for ultimate precision and versatility on the job, check out these Renegade Industrial 3-in-1 Butane Soldering Blowtorches. This TradeTools exclusive features 3 interchangeable settings in one compact tool: a fine solder, a hot air blower, and a precise pencil flame. Getting started is quick and easy thanks to the piezoelectronic trigger ignition. The adjustable flame control knob lets you easily size the flame for different applications, while the continuous flame lock keeps it lit while you work. Ideal for industrial applications, fine soldering, jewellery repairs, craft projects and more, it comes fully loaded with the base, heat deflector, soldering wire and 5 specialty tips, all packed into a heavy-duty storage case. Always be ready for detailed work with the Renegade Industrial 3-in-1 Soldering Iron Blowtorch. Pick yours up at your local TradeTools store or online today. Have any questions? Let us know in the comments below.